How to dry the charging port on your iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you get a notification on your screen that says charging not available or liquid detected in charging port. So we're going to go through a couple steps that hopefully help your charging port dry a little quicker. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Now, a couple things up front. If you get water in your charging port, do not try sticking anything in there to dry it, such as a Q-tip or toothpick, anything like that. And also, it's not recommended to use a hairdryer or anything else that produces heat when trying to dry out your charging port because that could damage your phone. So what Apple recommends is unplug everything from the port as soon as you get that notification. And then again, with nothing on the port here, simply kind of bounce the port on your hand facing down. So you want the charging port facing down, and you just want to gently tap it down to hopefully remove any water from the charging port. Now they say do this for a while, then let your phone sit for 30 minutes in a dry area with some air circulation. So you can have a fan pointing at it if you want to, but you want to make sure it's in a dry area. Then after 30 minutes, try plugging into the charging port, see if you get the notification that it's still wet. And if you do the same process again and let it sit for another 30 minutes or a couple hours until it fully dries. Again, it is not recommended to stick anything in your port. You don't need to put it into a bag of rice or anything like that. Just let it dry with the air. All right, so that's how you dry a charging port on an iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.